The future of work: how automation and robotics are changing industries. The role of automation and robotics in industries. Automation and robotics have become integral parts of many industries, driving digital transformation and increasing efficiency. With the introduction of Industry 4.0, organizations are adopting automation solutions to streamline processes and reduce human error. The impact on the future job market. As automation continues to advance, there are concerns about job displacement and the future skills needed in the workforce. While some traditional roles may become obsolete, new opportunities will emerge in fields such as robotics integration, data analysis, and AI development. The evolution of workplace trends. The integration of robotics in the workplace is reshaping how businesses operate and interact with their employees. Companies are leveraging automation advancements to streamline processes, improve productivity, and enhance customer experience. Navigating the automation future. With the rapid pace of technological innovation, it is crucial for businesses to stay ahead of the curve and embrace automation solutions. By investing in robotics and AI, organizations can improve operational efficiency, reduce costs, and drive growth. The future workforce and emerging technologies. As industries embrace automation and robotics, the future workforce will need to adapt to a new way of working. Employees must be equipped with the skills to collaborate with machines, analyze data, and solve complex problems. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of work is being shaped by automation and robotics, revolutionizing industries and changing the job market.